we've been longing for this day so that we can let you know how much we love you, cherish you, and celebrate you. And on this very day, we're very grateful for the universe for having created opportunity for our path to cross. And honestly, to know you is to love you. My only wish for you on this day is to see you prosper and even get propelled to greater heights. And may the universe also reciprocate the love and genuineness that you do shower its people with. Just know that we love you, we cherish you, and celebrate you for the queen that you are. Happy birthday!
I know, right? I get to put it in